I am Marian Maicatino, a Filipino environmental planner. In this video, we will assess hazards in our local government unit using the PlanSmart app. Assessing hazards can help us in disaster rehabilitation and recovery, even in disaster risk reduction and management. Knowing the hazards in our local government unit can help us minimize disaster risks and its impacts. Before a hazardous event happens, we can plan our preparedness and response strategies. Pag dumating na ang disaster, maaari namang makatulong ang hazard assessment para i-prioritize natin yung mga multiple hazard areas. So, to generate hazard assessment in PlanSmart, you need to go to LGU Profile tab and go to the hazard section. Dito sa hazard section, maaaring mag-generate ng hazard assessment in just one click. Click the Generate Hazard Assessment and wait for the hazard assessment to load. After loading, a detailed information about the hazard profile of your LGU will appear. Kasama dyan yung earthquake-induced landslides, tsunami, and even flood information galing sa Hazard Hunter PH. Kasama nito, in the pre-disaster map section, you can see maps, charts, tables, and lists of the different exposure sa iba't ibang hazards. In this example, yung rain-induced landslides ay nakakaapekto sa iba't ibang health facilities, schools, and iba't ibang laki ng population. Meron pa tayong mga population pyramids para makita ninyo yung distribution ng different ages and sexes na affected ng hazards. Don't forget to click Save para maisama yung inyong hazard assessment sa generated report. To preview your working R&R plan, click the View R&R Plan button. Lalabas sa generated PDF yung maps, charts, tables, and narratives ng iba't ibang hazards kung saan apektado ang ating LGU. Hazard assessment can also be used sa ating post-disaster activities and land use mapping. Disasters are not natural. Kaya importante makita natin kung ano yung mga hazards na maaari nating ma-prevent na makapekto sa ating LGU. Gamit ang hazard assessment sa PlanSmart app, magiging mas madali sa atin na makita ano yung kailangan nating paghandaan at ano yung kailangan pa nating i-consider sa ating rehabilitation and recovery program. Thank you!